Lagos. I really don't know what to say. Igbos are getting a lot of attack from different parts of Nigeria just for being Igbo. This is Lagos State, an estate, well developed, building structures and doing everything with money after facing a lot of challenges in their businesses in Lagos. Just like in other parts of Nigeria, Igbos have been targeted in different dimensions. What you are seeing here happened on Sunday, 19th November 2023. Lagos State government decided to demolish Igbos properties in Lagos in the name that they are doing one kind of development or whatever they called it. But the question here is, where is the government before they started purchasing and building these properties here? Saw it and kept quiet, but because of the a vote of Bola Ahmed Tinubu that happened a few months back, that Yorubas have turned against Igbos in every way, in every corner of Lagos State. They are facing different challenges. They started with their shops. Now they have metaphors to they are building their home, their property in Lagos. This is so bad and so sad. People are facing a lot of attack and challenge. You can see all these you are seeing here are Igbo's property. After spending millions of naira, some of them are even in billion. This is supposed to be an estate. You can see it here happening live at Abolado Festac Phase 2. I don't know if I got the name correctly, but you know what I'm talking about. As we are seeing it in this video, this is the truth. Just imagine, after wasting, okay, if you can see here, some of this area are slump, which means they must have spent millions of naira to get this property the way it is. As you can see at the back of this woman that sat down here, you can see now this is a swamp area. It simply means that for you to build here, you have to spend a lot, because you have to fill the water, fill the slump with sand, with rod and everything for you to build a story building. Then after wasting money building all those things, this is what you get from federal state government of Lagos. You can see it here. This is so bad, and it keep on happening every now and then. What advice are you going to give our Igbos in Lagos for them to understand that they are not welcome in Nigeria? What advice?
It is heartbreaking. It doesn't want us at all. One Nigeria, One Nigeria, just imagine, that was Sunday. Yeah. Today is Sunday. What is it? 19th of what? Yes, 19th of November 2023. It's happening like at Abolado.
Now, where is P2B and obedient movement? Where are they? Because all this nonsense started after the P2B's quest to become Nigerian president. Where is P2B today? The truth is that we Igbos don't read the handwriting on the wall. We only can see when things have gotten to this this extent. You want to be president in a country where you are not welcomed. You want to belong to people that doesn't want you. You want to be part of them. You want to build. You want to develop. Igbos are the only race in entire Nigeria that travel from one corner to another, buying properties and building homes without doing anything in their own zone. A lot of companies and factories in Lagos, especially bread factory and other factories you can think of, are being owned by Igbos. But what are they doing in the East? The answer is nothing. And when you try to build in the East, you see a fellow Igbo man mocking you that you are building a house in the village. Now you are wasting millions of naira to fill the slump area and build a property there, and this is what you get. You can see how beautiful these houses are. You can see how the building is looking. Some of them are newly built. The money and the effort they put there is gone. No compensation whatsoever. They are destroying it with joy and happiness. To prove to you that this has to do with Islamic agenda, why are they doing this of all other days on Sunday? They choose Sunday to do that. A day of rest. A day that you and your family are supposed to stay together. Now tell me, where if people that are living here, where do you think they will stay? Where are they going to sleep? As you can see in the video that I showed you previously, people are taking their properties out from the building because you have like play. This is what is going on in Lagos. Not one, not two, not three. Remember what happened in Ladipo. Remember the one of Trade Fair. Remember the one of Alaba International. It keep on happening, and it's not going to stop. It has started. Because the first one happened and nothing happened. So don't expect them to do. We are still on the Lagos State demolition of Igbos property. These houses that we are seeing here are about to go down. They're about to take it down. They're waiting for the people to take, few of their properties out, because there's no way they can take all the properties out. Now, the question is, what do you think that Lagos State want to build in this area? What do you think they want to use this land for, if not to say resell it again and make money? That's the typical mentality of one Nigerianist, to cheat. Because if you want to destroy people's property like this, you have to give them compensation. You have to pay for the building, because the government is there when they are purchasing those lands and building properties there. But the question now is, why are they choose of all time now to destroy their properties and all they have built in these lands? Land they legally purchased. It's not that they just started building on a land because it's an empty land. No, they purchased it, they have the document and everything, but government can never ever compensate them, simply because none of these properties here belong to Yorubas. If there's anyone that belongs to Yorubas, it could be one or two, but I doubt, because only Igbos are the people that in entire Nigeria that love to have properties anywhere they go. That is why we keep on shouting that Igbos need to rethink. We have a lot of empty land in East. We have a lot of vacants there that you can build whatever you want to build. Bring your business there. Forget about these people. But when you talk, they will say, you are what they call it. You are tribal sentiment. You are this. You are that. But it's not true. Imagine having a properties like this in Lagos. All of a sudden, you are being told that that property will be destroyed for no just reason, and you are not going to be compensated. Look at it. It is very, very sad. I just want to share this with us. Let's watch.
This one is going down too. Very soon now. Mommy and see. All these buildings are going down. All these buildings are going down.
I first saw a viral video of Matthias Ezdako, where he was being dragged out from his traditional church in somewhere in Anambra, I believe. I did not want to pay much attention to that, because there's some rumors then that Ebukobi is the one behind his arrest. I don't believe it initially, but when I saw this news here from Sahara Reporters, I begin to key in interest on that, because I don't think, I was not believing that Ebukobi can, arrest him for just criticizing him or whatever. But for Sarah to put it here, for Sarah Reporters to put it on their page here, it means there's some atom of truth on that. Nigerian police arrest traditional religion activist Ezako, transfer him to Abuja for criticizing Pastor Ebuka Obi over alleged fake miracles. If that is the reason why he was arrested, then it doesn't make sense to me. Although I saw other news that, I saw a news that says that Matthias Ezako and his followers, they're attacking people preaching. Once they see you carrying Bible or having a morning call, like preaching on the, preaching in the streets, trying to, share word of God, share the gospel to people in public, that they will verbally and physically attack the person. So if that is true as well, then Matthias needs to, to call to order, because in our land we have freedom of speech, we have freedom of religion. The only religion that every Igbo man are critical of is Muslim, because of their, violence nature and the way they deal with other people by taking lives easily because of religion. So that's the only reason why Igbo men, an average Igbo man, are kind of being cautioned or careful with anything Islam, because of the some of some of them claim that their laws or their Quran, give them authority to take life because you are not a Muslim. So every average Igbo man, I kind of critical about them. Anyway, this is what I want to bring to you for today. But before I go, I have another important information to share with us. A video of a young child and children, young men as well, in Anambra, a place called Uli in Anambra State, being attacked and spied by Nigerian army. Everybody saw the videos and the pictures, which I cannot show you here because of the rules of YT and Facebook. So permit me not to share these videos and the pictures to you, because I don't want to put the channels on, on a strike. So I have to share this with you because different army and different resistance forces have responded. They said there's a series of posts from different Prime Minister Samanepa and the one from different army commanders. They have come out and said that they are going to take this, to their hands, and make sure that the people that is responsible for the attack and buying of our people are going to, receive it hot. Here you can see the BLA sniper squad breaking the hunt for the Nigerian armies. Those are killed, those are by the Biafran children and mothers and young men in Uri and Ihiala, started last night in the old Anambra State, Biafran land. In old Anambra State, Biafran land, where we be posting the score. Men are on duty, men on duty already, something like that. So what I'm trying to say here is that they have already started hunting them and making sure that they bring them out for judgment. So when this kind of information is like this, you know that something is going on behind the scene, because we cannot fold our hands and start, screaming and shouting and begging for help where there's no help, because everybody wants to use Igbo people to do, make joke and all that. But if not for Simon Ekpa, if not for Biafran Liberation Army, if not for Biafran government in exile, what do you think will be the face and hope for Igbos? Remember how we started? Remember how everything have gotten to this stage? The the challenges that Simon Ekpa faced in initial stage, the first year that the Master American was kidnapped. Remember those that are writing petitions, those that wrote a lot of petitions against him to do this and do that. Today, most of them their mother are being saved because of activities of Simon Ekpa. Remember the one in Canada before, Chidiwayawo and co, how they were shouting and making sure celebrating the day they claimed that Simon Ekpa was arrested and all that. All this nonsense that happened, remember that, and you cannot see where we are today, and who is now fighting and defending our people, who is now defending innocent ones in our land, the vulnerable child, children and our mothers, those ones that cannot even raise a hand, cannot even talk. Remember those incidents, because Nigerian army is just like Islamic army, because they can do anything just to, to get back at people for no just reason. They only show their strength when on unarmed individuals. That's where you see that they are officer of the law and they are gallant men and all that, as they claim to be. But when it comes to face with a soldier man like them, they started running helter-skelter. Anyway, I have to bring the video to an end. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Follow me on Facebook as well. Share the video, like and comment. See you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.